Welcome everyone to our card kit reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit called A Little Artsy. And I'm going to start you off with a 6x8 clear stamp set called A Little Artsy. And this is super fun. It has some imagery that you can do some simple collaging with. So we have this vines of flowers. Also, there's some book text, some splatters of ink, numbers stacked, a little icon, and some leaves and a postal mark and this gorgeous huge flower. There's also a couple butterflies on this set, so we have a full butterfly and then a half butterfly to the side and also some little dots and some string. There's a vintage motif and also a flower with some book text behind and then a small strip of vintage imagery. The large sentiments are happy, thanks, and hello, and then sub-messages of birthday to you, for everything, my friend, and for you. So you can mix up your words to create different messages. I want to bring your attention to the butterflies and the flower because there is a stencil and mask set included in the kit that goes with those images. So first we have the flower stencil and then also the mask, and then the butterflies are on a second stencil and they also have masks for those. So you're wondering, how would I use these? So I'm going to show you against the stamps how they match up perfectly. So for the flower stamp, you can place the stencil over your stamped imagery, or you can stencil first and then stamp over your stenciling. Then if you would like to block out the flower so you can do other techniques, you can put the mask over your flower to protect your flower while you do your painting or ink blending around your image. And the same can be done for the butterflies. So the large butterfly has its own stencil and then that smaller half stencil. And the masks work the same way as the flower. You'll also receive a pack of the Tim Holtz Distress Mini Oxide Cubes. Colors will vary through the kits with set 1, 2, 3, or 4. I have set 4 with Salty Ocean, Peacock Feathers, Stormy Sky, and Weathered Wood. You can use these to do ink blending through your stencils, especially since we're including the Tim Holtz Distress Mini Blending Brush. You just pull the lid off. It works like a lipstick, so you push down the inner tube, then you have your brush on top, so you can do your ink blending through your stencils or also just on your background papers. When you're done, pull that inner tube up, place the cap back in place, and then close it by pushing it together. We have a few mediums for you in this kit. We have some paint and some splatter medium, and also a really unique item that's brand new is the overlay sheet, and it's printed with toner ink, which makes it really permanent. So this can be used many ways. You can either cut up your strips or use it whole. There's another thing that's super fun you can do is to use your salvage patina paint on the back side, or set it over a background that's painted with your salvage patina or colored papers to show the color off when you overlay that acetate on top. We're also including the Positively Perfect black splatter medium, and this gives you a really deep dark black splatter when you load your brush with the medium and tap it onto your paper. You can either use a regular watercolor paintbrush or a fan brush to get the effects that you like. For another finishing touch, we're including 1 yard of the May Arts black twine. This can be used to wrap your projects or just tie small bows and strings on your projects. Also included are 2 6x8 sheets of the 49 and Market Fresh Start rub-on transfers. These have a lot of the same theme as the stamp set. We have some distressed and watermark imagery, plus some butterflies and also small messages. These are super easy to use by just cutting out the image that you want to use, separate the image from the backing sheet, put it over your paper, and then I like to rub it with my Teflon bone folder to get a really good transfer. So I just use some pressure and transfer the image onto my paper. Next up, we have the papers, Beautifully Imperfect. And these are from Spellbinders. They're single-sided, and you get 10 sheets. And I love this top sheet because I think this would go really well with that overlay. And again, you can either cut up the overlay or use the whole sheet. And either way, you're going to have a great design with those bright colored papers underneath. Sheet number 2 has black and white stripes, and it's like torn paper in between and a little wrinkled. Here's another collage sheet that I think goes well with that overlay. And again, you can cut those up or even use little pieces just to add some accents. So I love those really bright colors underneath. This next sheet is truly lavender, so it has that distressed look. And here's a nice sheet where it's got white chip paint and then some colors underneath. I'm not sure if you can see the shine of this black print around the edges, but it is super shiny and really pretty. This one is a nice neutrals page with some flowers on the edge, and those have that shiny embossing as well. I really love this one. I think this really gives you some great inspiration on what you can do with your flower stamp. So on your stamp set, you have your bold flower, but you also have some writing and other little things that you can put over your flower to kind of create that same look. So this is a beautiful page. You can also cut out that flower or use that whole page for your card. This next sheet features butterflies, and on the side you can see some splatters. You can also create that with your salvage patina paint by watering it down a little bit and adding some splatters. This page is gorgeous where it goes from teal down to pink with that light blue writing. And then this is one of my favorites. It has that embossed black on the bottom and the side. And then those panels, they can either be cut out, but they're also the size of an A2 card, so you can cut out the entire panel, and I thought this would, again, look really neat with that overlay on top. So that's your papers from Spellbinders, Beautifully Imperfect, 10 sheets, single-sided. We're also including a sheet of vintage book text, and this paper is really old and super easy to tear since it's so brittle. So you can tear these into pieces or cut little strips of wording and add them to your cards and collage them all together. And finally, we have some heavy cardstocks in Audrey Blue, Nina Solar White, and Simon Says Stamp Black. And up next, I have some cards from our designers using the contents of this kit. I created a card using the overlay, and I added a little bit of that salvage patina paint behind it, placed it over that pattern paper, cut out the little house and mounted it to black cardstock, then stamped my thanks with white embossing on black paper and added For Everything. Joe Sasavith created his card by using his book text to begin with. He stamped his butterflies and used that salvage patina paint to color them in, stamped his hello and my friend, and then added his daisy at the top with some shading for a drop shadow. Nina went really bold and beautiful and white embossed her flower, then added some ink blending and splatters using some paints. She put that onto a really bright panel of pattern paper, enhanced it with some of the rub-ons and also some paints. And to finish it off, she stamped thanks embossed in white on Audrey Blue paper. And before I go, I wanted to remind you of our free or discounted shopping opportunities. Valued subscribers have a chance each month to receive free U.S. shipping on a card kit subscription purchase. Simply log into your account, click Manage Subscription, and add additional products to your subscription shipment so that the order total is $100 US or more before 11 p.m. Eastern Time on the 15th of the month. International customers will receive $7.99 off their cost of shipping with no code required. I hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough of A Little Artsy, our April 2026 card kit. Be sure to check out our blog posts for additional inspiration and the links below on how to purchase this kit, plus the add-ons that we have available. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.